The textbook used for the Introduction to Math and Pre-Algebra courses at Modesto Junior College is Pre-Algebra 6th edition by Lyle, and there's a copy of it over here. This textbook is available mostly electronically. However, there are ways of acquiring a paper copy, but they are not easy or direct, and so I'm going to step you through the process of how to purchase this textbook. If you know that your teacher assigns online homework through MyMathLab, you'll need to purchase online access, and there are two ways to do this. The first way is to go to the Pirates bookstore and purchase a cardboard sleeve that has a MyMathLab and eText access code. That code will be activated at any time, and from the time of activation, you have 1 year then to use MyMathLab. The second way is to purchase MyMathLab directly from Pearson, and this is available for $104. If you go to the Pearson website, which is shown right here, you can see these different options, and under Digital, where it says MyMathLab with Pearson eText Instant Access, you can purchase it right there using a credit card. The disadvantage of saving that $20 is that you immediately activate the code. You cannot delay it as you can with the cardboard sleeve, where you can let it sit around for a month or two and then activate it and have the full 12 months. Using the instant access option starts the clock ticking immediately, and you have 12 months from the time of that activation without delay. Once you've purchased MyMathLab Access through either of these two methods, you then have the option to order a loose leaf text for an additional $35 from within your teacher's MyMathLab course. Your instructor should give you a course ID, and once you receive that course ID, you'll be able to enroll in that class and have access to many tools and resources. So I'd like to next show you how to order that $35 textbook from within the course. I'm first going to go to the MyMathLab course, and if you type in mymathlab.com, it takes you to a site with a more complicated web address, but we don't need to worry about that. And I will sign in. And once I sign in, I'll see the list of courses that I have with Pearson, including the Math 919 course that you signed up for. And one of those options is purchase options. So I'm going to click here. And then it asks me, would you like a printed copy of your textbook to accompany your online resources? You can purchase an unbound loose leaf 3-hole punch version at this link. And when I go to the link, it gives me this option, print offer, to purchase for $35. This offer is only available if you have already purchased a MyMathLab access code and set up an account with an instructor who is using this textbook for a MyMathLab course which uses this text. So it's a very limited offer, but if you have enrolled in a course and purchased MyMathLab for an MJC class, you will have this option. Realize that your MJC access expires after a year, but if you have purchased this loose leaf textbook, you get to keep it forever. Again, if your instructor assigns online homework, you will need to purchase a MyMathLab code, either with or without the loose leaf text. Now, if your instructor does not assign MyMathLab homework but uses the textbook for homework, actually, one of the two choices above is the best option for you. You can purchase this MyMathLab access through option 1 or 2 above, and then it says this gives the option to buy the loose leaf text for an additional $35. If your instructor assigns homework from the paper text version, you can use this loose leaf book to complete your homework. Another option, if you don't want to spend the $35, is to use the e-text. And this allows you to view the pages of the textbook as if you were viewing a very large PDF. I will say that sometimes online access to Pearson materials can be slow, and it takes a while for them to upload, as this one is taking some time to show those pages. So if you do obtain online access, some students like to print out specific pages, such as the homework pages. That way they have access to the problems for their homework, even if the computer system is down. I wanted to show you the other two options, rent a paper copy and purchase the e-text subscription, which comes from the same link that I had showed you here. Under print rental, there is this option, Pre-Algebra 6th edition. If you rent this textbook, it will be mailed to you, and because it's a rental, you will need to mail it back by the end of the semester. The other option is to purchase the e-text subscription, which is also available at this link. And so under digital, it says Pre-Algebra subscription for $76.99. And if you go this route, you will only obtain the e-text, and you will not have access to the MyMathLab interactive homework. So these options 2 and 3 are not applicable for those students who need to use MyMathLab in order to complete their instructor's homework.